Hey guys, I just wanted a really quick video on Hyper-V Manager, specifically virtual switch networking. Um, when I first got started with this app, it took me a good I don't know, 20 minutes to figure it out. I know that sounds like a long time, but I am not used to Windows virtual machine products at all. Um, so just wanted this video in case it would help someone else out. So to install Hyper-V Manager, you just go to Windows Features and select it. Just check the box, and it's going to do some installs and restart your computer, and then you have Hyper-V Manager available in your search, which is pretty cool. You can run Linux machines, you can run Windows machines, you can run all sorts of machines. Eventually what I'm going to be doing with this is setting up a really quick deployment lab for Red Hat installs to do some testing and DevOps or development operations stuff. Anyway, so something I learned about the virtual switch is by default you have the default switch, which is basically nothing really useful. It allows all your virtual machines that you spin up to communicate with each other, and that's it. So really useful if you want an isolated red lab environment where you're doing virus testing, penetration testing, or anything like that, and you really don't want it to escape. In my case, because I'm doing a deployment lab, I need at least one machine to reach out to the internet and pull down updates and pull down ISO files and things like that. So to get to this menu, all you really do is click Virtual Switch Manager, and then you're going to select how you want, or which interface type you want. So private is, for example, 192.168.1 address. That's just private internal to VMs, similar to the default switch. Internal, and also mentions it down here. Might help if I would have read that without explaining it. But anyway, you guys can read that when you install it. Have fun. This is virtual machine and physical computer, and external. So this is pretty much what I want to do because I want everything to talk to everything. I don't care if it's on my Wi-Fi, I don't care if it's on my wired network, I don't care if it's on the internet, I want to talk to everything. So I'm going to create a virtual switch, and I'm going to call it just World, because why not? Let's call it World. I don't want to do any VLANs on this particular setup because I just really want it to be open. I want it to be quick, simple, and just work. You can do VLANs. It's kind of cool. You could set up different networks and blah 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 blah. Honestly, I'm not a huge networking guy, so I don't find that to be super fun. I just want my networks to communicate. Unless I need a specific security boundary for some reason, I leave this VLAN stuff alone. It's evil and painful. Alright, not really. I just leave it alone unless if you don't have a need for something, why bother putting it there? So, yeah, always, whenever you do any of this deployment stuff, it gets complicated very quick. So, keep it simple unless you need it to be complicated. And anyway, so we're going to click apply, and it's going to say, oh look, this could disrupt your network activity. Yes, we know. Done. Chugga chugga chugga. It does its magical stuff. Okay, it takes a minute to do magical things. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to just go ahead and do a new virtual machine, and so we can quickly demonstrate how to use it. We're just going to call it deployment 1, which is deployment, and don't really care where it's saved. We'll do generation 2, and I'm just going to assign it a gig. I'm not going to do dynamic memory because dynamic memory is evil, which I'll explain that in another video, probably. We'll see, maybe, most likely. Anyway, alright, so connection, bam, here we go. Not connected by default, default switch, and world, here we go. World, bam, next. I'm going to create the virtual hard disk. Here we go. I'm not going to actually install an image file, and ISO data, and where did I put it? There it is, right here. Next, finish, and it's going to do some magical stuff again, way faster than bigger network. Wow, that's interesting. And we're going to start it, and then connect to it, just to make sure that it comes up, which it is. It is coming up. That's awesome. So that's it, guys. That's all we really had to do. I don't know how it originally took me 20 minutes to figure it out. I think I literally clicked everything in this like menu here. Anyway, definitely guys, like, subscribe if you like the video, or comment. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see. Definitely check on this stuff weekly. Now I check on it weekly. I wasn't for a while because I was moving. Now I'm done moving. I am checking on this weekly. So yeah, definitely like, subscribe, and share your thoughts and comments. Thanks, guys.